straightaways. It's going to be a big push coming on the top lane.
Boy, this
He needs to move to the top lane.
Gonna have to be quick. Gonna have to be quick.
Almirola up to cover. Dillon, where will he go?
Get there.
Oh, into Almirola. Around he goes. And here it comes with the number 3, 20 years ago. 20 years of trying for Earnhardt. He won the Daytona 500. Austin Dillon wins the 60th running of the Great American Race.
Got a car wrecked here. I think it's Hamlin.
Richard Childress. Austin Dillon's grandfather.
Hell of a job. That's what I mean. You want it.